Okay, so it is day 8. Yeah, we managed to finish the rest of the wiring, so let me show you that. As you can see, everything is still nice, beautifully here. The only problem, it's so hot in here that it's actually melting glue from the tape holding it just against the roof, but that's fine because everything is reinforced right there to get it away for the spray insulation. But yeah, we managed to go in the bedroom, do the bedroom lights as well. So we'll be having 6 pot lights up here. And in the bathroom, I'm gonna have 3 pot lights in the top. And again, as you come in the main living room, we're gonna have 8. Now, as you go through life and you meet new people, I mean, you're gonna develop those relationships, you know, that, I mean, they're great in the beginning, but as they draw to the end, I mean, no matter how much talking you do or counseling or even surprise vacations, it's just not meant to be. I'd like to liken that to those assholes along the wall over there. I mean, I put all the care in a drill to take them out. I got an impact. I got a bigger impact. I got a breaker bar, and they didn't want to go. So, you know, kind of like those bad relationships in your life, sometimes really all you got to do is cut them out. All right, let's see what's up in here. As you can see, I decided to go a little different route with the bus. We turned it into a meth lab. No, this is just to stop all the overspray from hitting the windows and, yeah, causing another 3 weeks of cleanup. So, yeah, although it's very nice to keep all the spray foam or spray insulation away from all the windows, it really turned this tin can into a greenhouse, so it's hot as balls. So I'm out of here.
So as you can see, we are wearing full protection here because, as you know, it is safety first here all the time. My boy Alex is getting the sprayer. Oh, he's gonna come back and then we're gonna spray this bitch up real nice.